What's up everybody, Jason Page here. Welcome back to another light painting video. In this one, I'm going to show you how I created this image right here. This one is entitled, Let Them Go. If you're anything like me, this is one of those things in life that is way easier to say than to actually do because you want to believe in people so badly. But sometimes the best thing that you can do is act from love for yourself and for them and let them go. The tools that I used to create this image were the diamond plexiglass from light painting brushes. I also used the black fiber optic with the do-it-yourself screw-on color filter to create a fiery effect. Both of those tools are illuminated using the MX65 flashlight from Soonfire along with the universal connector. To illuminate the scene, I used the red and orange color hoods, and those are the only tools that I used to create this image. The settings that I used were ISO 400 f16, starting the exposure now and writing out "Let Them Go." The most difficult part, again, always about light writing, is that I have to write the letters backwards so that you don't have to flip it in post or anything like that. I try to keep my images as straight out of the camera as possible. So when I do my light writing, I am always light writing backwards. Just pointing the light directly at the camera, turning it on and off manually at the back of the light, just pressing the switch down when I want it on and letting it go to turn the light off. That's the end of the light writing there, and now I'm just illuminating the scene using the orange and red color hood. I'm just using these together at the same time, not doing them individually. As you can see, the colors are kind of blending there. What I really love about the color hoods is they allow you to work within the scene. As you see there, I'm walking all through the scene, illuminating the tree. I can get right on it and touch it with light. The final step of this image is creating that fiery effect using the black fiber optic. Again, I created a custom screw-on color filter with some red, orange, and yellow gels in it that is creating the color that you see coming out of the end of the black fiber optic. All I'm doing here is running that fiber optic all along the log, just kind of bouncing it around. There's no rhyme or reason to the movements of light here. I'm just staying on the log and on the ground. One thing that Johnny Griffin taught me a while back is about fire, and that fire always flickers up. You never see it flicker down. So I always try to do a little flick of light up to get that fiery effect in these images when I am creating fire with the black fiber optic. And that is going to be the end of this exposure. And here is the image that we created. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do give me the thumbs up down below. Any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section. I will answer anything that I can. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit the subscribe button down below. And until the next video, get out there and get creative.